Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for insightful reviews on the latest in home decor. Today, we're diving into a unique piece that's sure to add a splash of retro charm to any space: the ban.do vintage-inspired orange juice vase. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the market for the best orange carton vase around, look no further. This isn't just any vase, it's a playful homage to nostalgia, crafted by artist Dustin Williams. Wrapped in vibrant orange hues and adorned with a classic carton design, it's as delightful as it is functional. Standing tall at 9.75 inches, this ceramic vase isn't just for show. Its rectangular shape and sturdy build make it perfect for displaying flowers, storing office supplies, or even adding a quirky centerpiece to your kitchen counter. While it looks like your morning juice carton, this vase is strictly for decor purposes. It's not suitable for actual consumption or microwave use, but hey, who needs to drink from a vase when it looks this good? Crafted with durability in mind, it weighs a solid 1.68 pounds and features vibrant printing on all sides. The attention to detail is evident, making it a standout piece whether you're styling your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Versatility is key here. Whether you're a fan of eclectic decor or just looking to brighten up your space, this vase fits the bill. It's a conversation starter, a mood lifter, and definitely a must-have for those who appreciate unique, retro-inspired pieces. There you have it, folks, the ban.do vintage-inspired orange juice vase. A true gem for your home or office, bringing a slice of sunny nostalgia wherever it's placed. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to get yours today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more decor insights. Until next time, keep decorating.